for joining Art Party. We're going to be doing a really fun drawing. It's going to be Pikachu with a Pokeball. And before we get started, I know you guys are going to like it. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And why don't we get started? So why don't we start off with the head up here with just like the top half of a circle to begin with. And I only stop there because the cheek is sticking out a little bit, so the cheek sticks out a little bit. So on the left side, you're just going to change that curve just a little bit, and actually on the other side we could just bring it all the way around. So why don't we get started like that? And this is a good spot to do the eyes. Remember, the eyes are more ovals than circles. Nice and big. You guys could even go a little bit bigger. And remember that light that's in the eye, there's like a white ball that's in the eyes. That is the light that's going to be there. And I'm going to do another oval that doesn't quite cover the other. It's going to be a smaller oval than the first. And just so you guys see how I do the eyes, just like that. You guys could darken it in a little bit later, but just doing like that, it looks a little bit more lifelike and three-dimensional. Then we have the little nose here. It's going to be closer to the left eye because the head's turned a little bit. And actually right now, why don't we do the cheeks are pretty much like the eyes. The other cheek over here is a little bit more of a circle because the head's turned, and this is closer to us. And then what we could do is go back to the nose, and the mouth is going to be kind of like that curve up, and then it's a longer curve on the right side. Kind of looks like a mustache now, but it's not. And then the bottom half of a circle or an oval right there, and then that curved line in the mouth for the tongue or the bottom of the mouth. Right, just kind of like that, and even without the ears, it looks pretty cute already. Then for the ears, you guys could have them however you want, but maybe I'll have one up and then one to the side. So one is up like this, and remember there's another curve near the end because that's black. And then on the side, maybe one goes kind of straight out like this. You guys could make these a little bit longer or even shorter if you want. It's up to you. And this one, you will actually see, you could erase the line that connects with the head there because this one is a little bit closer to us. And so just one up, one to the side, two up, however you want. Then for the Pokeball, if there's a character that's holding on to something, you might want to draw the object first. So in this case, we're going to draw the top half of a circle, right, top half of the ball. There's a little space there, and then the bottom half of the circle or the Pokeball, right? And then that way we could get the hands right in here, just like this, like a curved line, kind of like the, once again, kind of like a C and a backward C. Kind of looks like a J as well. And if you want to put a couple lines here, a couple curved lines for the fingers, and then all we have to do to connect the hand to the rest of the body is you can go down kind of the bottom of the cheek and just curve line coming down. Same thing on the other side. Why don't we just do the same thing? Right? So we could start like that and actually finish off the ball. Remember the inside of the ball, kind of like a donut, and it looks like he's just holding the donut there. And then there's the lines going to either side that are about that thick, that is black. And there's another kind of circle in the middle as well. Remember, it's white in the middle. So I'm just going to do this really quick. And then you got the red, you got the white, and yeah, so why don't we just kind of leave it like that. And then it's really easy to finish off Pikachu here because we could come off of the ball or off of the hands here and just do the bottom of the body just like this. It's just a round shape, like a big U, or the bottom of like an oval or something. Just a round shape like that. It could even be a little bit smaller here. And then kind of angled ovals, or it kind of looks like that C again. And the same thing on the other side. And if you want, you could have the curved lines for the toes there, just like we did for the hands. And we could move on to the tail. Now the tail is in between the arm and the foot. So kind of right in between. And it's really those zigzags. It kind of looks like a W. It looks like stairs going up. And so if you take those stairs up and all the way out, and then we have the second line on the bottom that gets thicker as it goes out, and that finishes it off. And then we also have those C shapes just underneath the arm before the tail. That's the stripes on the back that wraps around. So at this point you can do something in the background. Maybe he's floating in the sky, and this is what I did with mine. So I just put some nice color on there, and it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, you guys should like and subscribe, tell your friends. Let's make this world a more beautiful place, one drawing at a time. See you at the next party.